Good day, sir. First, you have to turn on the exam controller. So start the Apache and start MySQL. To check my codes, we will have to go to a web browser like Google Chrome, and then after the Google Chrome, we have to search localhost index of dashboard. And there, we can see the 8 text. So we will open it, and then first, we have to check if it is already connected in the database. Yes, nakakonect na ka sa database. Pwede na rin mo buhat ng tanan gamit sa database. Activity 1. Nakakonect sa database and nakahimo og people. Activity 2. Connect sa database and then naka-add og empleyado sa database. After sa activity 3, congrats naka-add og column. Activity 4, congrats naka-change og column. Activity 5, naka-delete og column. Activity 6, naka-update og data sa database. Activity 7, naka-delete og data sa database. So, in having a new user account, you must go to localhost php myadmin. I already created my user account, which is Angel. There, I already have a table, employee. If you want to know how to add or how to add a user account, you must go first to new and then user accounts and then add user account. If you want to see my codes, it's in File Explorer, Drive C, Exam, HD Docs, Dashboard, 8X, Error. This is my activity. So, you have to edit it with Notepad++. I already have there, so it would be activity 1, these are my codes, activity 2, activity 3, activity 4, activity 5, activity 6, activity 7, and my DB connection is where it goes. And now that is my systems database. Thank